2021 Dodge Ram ProMaster. Base, brake removing and installing. We got it up, jacked up. Get it right here. Brakes. Here we go. Alright, look what we discovered. We had to take this sensor off. Right here. Got to take this off sensor because it goes to this right here. Alright. Alright, brake pad lubricant. You need this right here. Stop the squeaks, squealing, and all that good stuff. Yes. Apply it to the back. Put it right here on the side, you know, metal on metal so it won't squeal. Making sure no squeaks, no squeals. Put it right here. Can't do it two hands, one hand. Alright, we got this right here. Now we gotta lube up. We ain't gonna lube up the back, we're gonna lube this up right here. We're gonna lube up the caliper. Alright. There we go. There go one side. Then we connect this right here to here. All right, here we go. All right, gotta put the screws in.